When the moon hits your eye like a big pizza pie, that's amore. This is Angela with Creatively Done, and today I'm just dipping some cabochons and singing one of Dean Martin's favorite songs. That's amore. When you walk down the street with the cloud at your feet, you're in love. Hearts will play tippy-tippy-tay, tippy-tippy-tay, gay cowboyella, lucky fella. Hearts will sing ding-ding-ding, oh, great tarantella, lucky fella. When you walk down the street with a cloud at your feet, it's amore. Scusa me, but you see, back in old Napoli, that's amore, amore, that's amore. This is how I do. It's supposed to be level, so you level them off, take it over to your wet paint, which is over here, dip them in, pull them up straight. You'll get a nice little dip of paint. And I'm doing these because this paint is so gorgeous and it's all my favorite colors. I didn't get that one quite, so I'm going to double dip. Can you imagine? Only time it's okay to do. And there you go. So, I got 4 more to do. It's so easy to do, like, oh, I don't know, 300 of these at one time, but they turn out so nice. And if you let them dry and you make a skin out of it, it will work too. It's just more work than it has to be. So dip them in, pull them out. You can always tap them down so the paint will automatically just stay at the tip there. This is so pretty. And this copper and the bronze and the black and the gold, oh, it's just so sweet. And I do take the skins and I do save the skins, but if you want to try doing, it looks easy, but all this, the prep work to get it to here. And here we go. My last one for today. If you can see it, there you go, you can see it. So this is Angela with Creatively Done. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do. If you're an artist or someone else that creates stuff, put a comment down below with your link and I will look at your website and your channel on YouTube, and we need to promote one another. So let's go out there and get something creatively done. And this is what we got the paint from right here. And there's some more paint over there. So that's all I have for today. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching. That's amore. And it's a wrap. Thank you. This is Angela with Creatively Done.